Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ChatGPT. Oops, an error occurred. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to clear ChatGPT's cache data guys. To do this, you just need to open up a browser and click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select third-party cookies. You just need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here, search for OpenAI. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. Now the second step is to disable extensions. To do this, on left side, you just need to scroll down and select extensions. We need to disable our extensions guys. The reason for doing this is that our extensions may be preventing ChatGPT from working. If that's the case, disabling our extension can solve the problem. This is our first solution. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change DNS. If the problem is caused by our internet, changing the DNS can solve the problem. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111 and in alternative DNS type 1001. Click on OK. This DNS address is the DNS of Cloudflare used in OpenAI. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to use a VPN. The problem we experiencing may be due to the region we live in. If that's the case, using a VPN can solve the problem guys. To do this, you just need to open up our browser and you just need to search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the Chrome Web Store, search for VPN. Click on the VPN by your preferences and select add to Chrome and select add extension. After adding the VPN, click on the puzzle icon over here and select the VPN and you just need to connect the VPN guys. Just click on the option to connect. After connecting to the VPN, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, the problem may be caused by a plugin you are using. Currently, some plugins have these problems. When you find the plugin that creates a problem on your side and you just need to close it, then the problem will be solved guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.